Hey everyone, here's an update on the P-51 Mustang from E-Flite. This is the 1.2 meter model. As you can see, it's quite a bit different than it was the last time I shot a video showing the updates on it. I was just getting ready to paint the black invasion stripes. I have now completed the red canopy rails, the red on top of the tail, and the red on the wingtips, as well as the yellow nose. I used the Rust-Oleum 2X for the invasion stripes and the red. And I used Model Master Insignia Yellow acrylic and airbrushed the nose section. And I gotta say, that was all. That took about an hour worth of airbrushing to complete that. And the acrylic paint's not that easy to airbrush, I found out. I'm used to the enamel on my plastic model planes, and the acrylic, it either was too runny or too thick. I had a real tough time getting it the proper consistency. So I had a lot of bleed through on the tape. It followed all the panel lines down the cowl, and it kind of made it a little bit of a mess. But that is the correct color that it was, and I couldn't find the really a better match for it. So I decided to go with the Model Master acrylic. But otherwise, it's really starting to come together now. I have some more touch-up work to do. I have to mark off an area on the invasion stripes on the rear where the plane's identification numbers or letters will go, and then start with all the graphics from Cali Graphics, and then the weathering, and then some clear coat, and then finally, after all that, I can actually start to assemble the airplane. Right now the wings are just set into place. You see the tail is not assembled yet. It's really just sitting pieced together at this point. It's not actually assembled. So there's still lots of work to do, even though it looks like it's starting to come together. But the weathering and all the details will definitely take some time, and then I can finally actually start to put this thing together. It will not fly this year, unfortunately. The season has come to an end way too early, and I don't see any way to get out and fly the airplane this year. It's just the season came to an end just way too soon. So she'll be all ready for next year, and she will join a number of other planes ready for next season. So this will give me plenty of time over the winter to work on her. But overall, I'm really happy with how the E-Flite P-51 is coming out, and I've been always excited that I finally have a really nice P-51 Mustang to add to the collection.